क्लास 4th है, सब्जेक्ट GSC, डेट 24/11/2020, lesson 3rd, Animal Kingdom. In this Animal Kingdom, we studied about the pre-reading questions. Then today we are studying about the animals with a backbone. In this, we studied about the fish, amphibians. Today we are going to study about the reptiles. And the examples of the reptiles are as the snakes, crocodile, lizards, etc. These are the examples of the reptiles. So reptiles are a class of animal with scaly skin. They are cold-blooded. Cold-blooded means they cannot regulate the body temperature. So they are cold-blooded because they cannot regulate their own body temperature. Their body temperature depends on the external temperature. Most reptiles breathe through lungs. Some reptiles breathe through the moist skin. The majority of reptiles lay eggs. The majority of reptiles lay eggs to give birth to their young ones. Snakes, lizards, crocodiles, alligators, and turtles are some examples of reptiles. Means the creeping animals, they move by the creeping way. Now next about the birds. You are familiar to the birds like sparrow, eagle, parrot, pavo cristaceus. As pavo, just like the national bird, that is peacock, crow. These are a few birds. So about the birds, birds are animals that have feathers. They are born out of hard-shelled eggs. Birds have adapted their vertebrate. Birds have adapted their vertebrate skeleton for flight. Their bones and skulls are very thin, making their bodies extremely light. And they have beaks to eat with. Pigeons, sparrow, eagle, and woodpecker are among the birds who can fly. Birds like ostrich, emu, etc. are flightless birds. So you are familiar to the birds. Important feature you know about the birds. They have the wings. They can fly. And some birds are not able to fly. And they have beak. Beak have no teeth. There are two types of the birds. Some birds can fly, while some birds cannot fly. That is called as the flightless birds. Ostrich, emu, etc. are some examples of flightless birds. Now, next example is mammals. Mammals are in mammals, we are also included in the mammals. You see the animals having the external layer. This is external layer called as pinna. They all are called as the mammals. They have mammary glands. So we are studying here. Mammals are animals that give birth to babies and feed them, except the platypus and the anteaters. So all the birds, all the mammals give birth to their the young ones. But some mammals are egg laying. They lay the eggs. They do not give birth to young ones as echidna, duckbill platypus, etc. These are a few examples of the mammals which cannot produce the young ones, cannot give the birth to young ones. These are the egg-laying mammals. So, mammals are animals that give birth to babies and feed them, except the platypus and anteater. Mammals are warm-blooded because they are capable of regulating their body temperature. Most mammals walk on four legs. Only the humans walk upright on two legs. Most mammals breathe through lungs and have hair or fur. Covering their body. Most mammals breathe through lungs and have hair or fur covering their body. Humans, cow, dog, tiger, horse are some examples of mammals. Now, next, animals without a backbone. We have studied about the animals having backbones, but there are a few animals which have no backbone. So, animals without backbone are called invertebrates. 97% of all animal species do not have a backbone. This is a long list. There are a large number of animals having no backbone. So nearly 97% of all animal species do not have a backbone. Insects, spiders, worms, snails and scorpions are some examples of invertebrates. Now next about the spiders. You are familiar to the spiders. You can see the spiders in the home. They makes the net. Spiders are easily recognized with their 8 legs. Spiders have 8 legs. So spiders are easily recognized with their 8 legs. All legs are used for walking. Many spiders can produce threads to spin webs for catching prey. Now next, insects. Insects are very adaptable, living almost so insects are very adaptable, living almost everywhere in the world. Insects have 6 legs while spider have 8 legs. So insects have 6 legs. An insect's body consists of 3 parts: the head, thorax and abdomen. This is head region, this is thorax, and this is the abdomen region. Head, and this is thorax region, and this is abdomen region. Most insects can fly. Housefly, beetle, butterfly, bee, and wasp are some examples of insects. So, now what have you learned? The animal kingdom have a large variety of animals. Next, animals with a backbone are called vertebrates. Animals without a backbone are called invertebrates. Aquatic animals like fish breathe through gills. Amphibians can live both on land and in water. Reptiles move with the help of scales on their the body. Birds have hollow bones that help them to fly, and insects have 6 legs. Thank you. That's for today.